Hi there, this is an introduction on how to use BrainPOP in the classroom created by Miranda Van Donsel. So the first thing you're going to do is open Chrome or whatever browser you traditionally use for activities. You're then going to type in www.junior.brainpop.com into the search bar. When you come to the main page of the website, you're going to see a list of different subjects including science, health, reading and writing, social studies, math, arts, and technology. For this example, I chose science. Here you have the variations of animals, plants, habitats, and so on. For this example, I chose animals. Here you'll see that there's a bunch of different subheadings below animals that you can choose from. For this case, I chose hibernation. Once you get there, your students are given the option to watch a short video, and then there's activities that they can do. Activities include quizzes, word plays, games, activities, talk about it sections for you to prompt. I really like this because students can also log in with their own unique user ID, and you can document their assessments. Another one of my favorites with this website is it also provides teachers with different lesson ideas, and that can be anything just from basic ideas to full lesson plans. This website also provides educators with various classroom ideas, background information, handouts that you can send home to families, and different center ideas as well. Additionally, you can use a search within the software to search for different subjects that you want to look for, and it comes up with different handouts, different activities, the Common Core standards that each lesson plan could follow, as well as whole lesson plans that are right there for you to use in the classroom.